So let's say you're presented with a problem, and this is new. You're dividing in a sense where the coefficient is negative, and also they're giving you the term that's being divided by. They're not giving you it basically in order, and there's missing pieces here. So, first thing you want to consider is, one, if you don't feel comfortable working with the negative signs here, you can change the signs of everything in this problem here, making this a positive 3x plus 3. Making sure things are in order too, plus 3x squared, or 3x to the third. You're missing the x squared, so you're going to hold a place value. And then you have the positive 21x, which will now become a negative 21x. And then you have the 18, which was positive, which will now be negative 18. Now you see, I've put things in order, and I've changed the signs of everything, because maybe I feel more comfortable about using a 3x plus 3. Maybe you're given a problem where you're dividing by a negative x minus 2, and you don't like that negative in front there. But if you change the signs of the divider, you have to change the signs of what you're dividing by. Now I can say, okay, I have the x squared. I get the 3x to the third plus the 3x squared. Change my signs. You can see I'll get it to cancel out. I get a 3x squared. This is minus 3x squared minus the 21x. And then I want to basically always match it up so it's the same, so that when I subtract and I change, so negative 3x squared minus 3x. Again, signs change. If I'm subtracting this becomes a positive. These cancel out. I'm left with a negative 18x minus the 18. I want to multiply by negative 6. Negative 6 times 3x is a negative 18x. Negative 6 times the 3 is also negative 18. And then I'm changing my signs here, which would cancel everything out. And then I'm left with x squared minus x minus 6. I believe I can FOIL this to be x. The middle term is negative, so I'm going to make the bigger number 3 out of my factors 2 and 3. I'm going to make the bigger number negative, x minus 2, x plus 2, which would make my zeros positive 3 and negative 2. And so that's dividing when you have a negative coefficient and you want to change the signs to get rid of that negative in front, changing the signs of everything, and also kind of reordering from your highest degree on down and using a placeholder.